If you are numbering rows or simply creating a number sequence in Excel, you can use the drag feature in the usual case. However, Excel offers the option to create a number sequence without dragging. Hello everyone, welcome to Exceldemy, your day-to-day Excel and VBA tutorial helpline. This is Hadi Bashar, and today I'll demonstrate 3 methods of how to create a number sequence in Excel without dragging. For this video, I'll use Microsoft Excel 365. In the first method, I'll use the field series feature to create a number sequence that ranges from 1 to 10 with an increment of 1. To do so, go to cell B5 and type 1, press enter. Now, you can open the field series option in 2 ways. You can press the keyboard shortcut Alt, H, F, I, S. Alternatively, you can go back to cell B5, move to the Home tab. In the Editing section, click on Fill. Here you will find different available options of the field series. In my case, I'll select the series. This opens the series window. As I want the number sequence to spill in column B, so in the series and options, I am selecting columns. The type is linear. Now move to step value. The step value is the common difference between successive 2 values in the sequence of numbers. So in our case, the step value is 1 and the stop value will be 10. Now click on OK and you can see the number sequence is created. Here I will show you another example of creating a number sequence using the field series feature. This time I will create a number sequence that are multiples of 15 and the numbers will range from 15 to 150. Go to cell B5, type 15 and hit enter. Let's use the keyboard shortcut to open the series window. Go back to cell B5, press Alt, H, F, I, S. You can see the series window is open. Now in the series in option, select columns. The type is linear. As I want to get this number sequence that are multiples of 15, so the step value will be 15. And the stop value will be 150. Now click on OK and you can see the number sequence is created in a blink of an eye. You can use the sequence function to create a number sequence. In this example, I will create a number sequence of 1 to 10 using the sequence function. Go to cell B5, type equal, sequence. The sequence function returns a sequence of numbers. Press tab to autocomplete the function. This sequence function takes 4 arguments: the rows, columns, start, and step. The rows and the columns arguments are the numbers of rows and columns where the sequence will be spilled. As I want the number sequence of 1 to 10 to be spilled in cells B5 to B14, that is, there are 10 rows and 1 column, so I will pass 10 and 1 as the rows and columns argument. Type 10. Place a comma. For the columns argument, type 1. Place another comma. The start argument is the starting value of the sequence. In our case, the value is 1. And the step argument is the common difference between 2 successive values in the sequence of numbers. So in our case, the step value will be 1. Close the parenthesis and press enter. And you can see the sequence function has returned the number sequence. Let's create a number sequence of 15 to 150 using the sequence function. Go to cell B5. Type equal, sequence. The rows argument will be 10 and columns argument will be 1. The start argument is 15. The step is also 15. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. You can see the number sequence that are multiples of 15 is created. In this third method, I'll use the row function to create the number sequence of 1 to 10. First of all, select cells B5 to B14 where I will place this number sequence. Now move to the formula bar, type equal, row. The row function returns the row number of a reference. Press tab to autocomplete the function. You can keep the reference argument of the row function blank. In that case, the row function will return the row number of the current cell. Close the parenthesis. As we are starting from the 5th row, so we need to subtract 4. Now to apply the formula across the selected cells, press Ctrl Enter. And in this way, the number sequence is created using the row function. You can use the row function to avoid dragging the fill handle. However, keep in mind that you can create only a linear sequence by applying this row function. You can apply the row function to get the multiples of 15 in the range of 15 to 150. The process is very similar to the previous method. Select cells B5 to B14. Move to the formula bar. Type equal 15 plus 15 times, open parenthesis, type the row function, leave the reference argument of the row function blank, subtract 5, close the parenthesis. For cell B5, the row function will return 5. 5 minus 5 equals to 0, and 0 times 15 is equals to 0, and adding 0 to 15 will return 15. In this way, you will get 15 in the cell B5, and for the following cells, you will get the multiples of 15. Now press Ctrl Enter to apply the formula across the cell, and this formula returns the multiples of 15. I have demonstrated the step-by-step guide for creating a number sequence in Excel without dragging. Hopefully, you can apply this knowledge according to your requirement and convenience. You can download the practice workbook from the video description to sharpen your Excel skills. Feel free to leave any questions, suggestions, or feedback in the comment section below. To check out our Excel blogs, you can visit exceldemy.com. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.